In this video, let's see how to capture Trellix MER on Windows OS. Open a web browser. Type in thrive.trellix.com. Click on the Login button that appears at the middle of the screen. Sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, click on See Available Tools under the Tools section. On the next page, click on Learn More and download SSO link. Click on Download on the next screen and accept the data processing and free tools agreement. The download should begin shortly. Navigate to the downloads location and extract the archive. Then browse through the folders, SSO, Tools, Default, x86. Right-click on MER and run it as administrator. The tool checks for any new updates that may be available. Accept the license agreement and then click on Next. On the next screen, you can select Auto Detect Products to capture logs from all supported installed Trellix softwares. Click Next to start the log capture process. This may take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Once it completes, save it to the desired location, which can be shared with technical support. Thanks for watching.